Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform full setup on REALME Narzo 80. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you can choose your language, or you can just click next. Now you have to select your region, and here you can agree to some legal information, so just click next. Now you can insert your SIM card, or you can just click next again. And here you can set up using another device, or you can just click skip. And you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can just click next. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. And here you can set up your unlock method, or you can just click skip and then click later. Now click done and click get started. And as you can see, my device is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.